To make your own bath clings, you will need some foam, some scissors, a pencil, and the shapes that you're wanting to create. I'm going to do some letters, my daughter's name, and then a few letters that we're working on. You want to start by placing the shapes or letters on your foam. Then you use your pencil to press into the letters or shapes to leave an indent on the foam. I chose to print out some bubble letters to trace. You might have some stencils or cookie cutters that you could use instead. Or if you're good at freehand drawing, you could draw your own shapes or letters. You can see that I'm pressing hard enough that now you can see the letters on the foam. I found that this step was easier with thinner foam. However, bath clings made out of thicker foam last longer. It doesn't matter what orders the letters are in, or even if some of them are upside down. You'll be cutting them out anyways. All done, ready for cutting. Now all I have to do is follow the indents on the foam. To cut out the middle of a letter, just bend the letter in half, make a slit, and then you can cut out the circle. One done. All finished. Now let's see how they look in the bathtub. Bath clings are great for working on letters, spelling, numbers, math, shapes, colors, or just having some fun toys.